Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Cinema Secrets Professional Makeup Brush Cleaner. Let me show you how I got this bad boys, all of them, clean in a few minutes. This is a product that is very essential for me. Whenever I need to get my brushes clean, this is what I use. I dip it just a tiny bit, just the tip, and as you can see, I did only half of the brush, and it's completely different day and night difference. Now the brush is completely clean and it's super soft, and I don't feel like there's any residue left behind. And I can get my brushes clean in just a few minutes. As you can see, I had many of them that I needed to clean, and this brush cleaner makes the job so much easier, especially when I'm doing somebody else's makeup. I really need to be fast. So for me to have clean brushes is essential, is a must. This is for me by far the best method to clean my brushes and have them really clean. And that's my point of view.